name is Julian too, and today I'm going to show you how to install hardware support packages into TI Portal. Here I've got the support packages available for TI Portal's version 15 and 15.1, and I've downloaded the complete package here and saved them to a folder on my desktop. I've got my TI Portal version 15.1 open on my computer. I've gone into the project view, and then here I'll go to Options, Support Packages, and I'm looking at the installation of support packages. I'm going to select Add from File System, and once this window opens, I'm going to browse for the folder on my desktop where I've got all those hardware support packages downloaded to. You can choose as many hardware support packages to install as you'd like. In this case, I'm going to choose all of them by selecting the first item in the list and holding down the Shift key on my keyboard and selecting the last one. Here I'm going to select Open. And all of the hardware support packages I just selected are now added to my list of local support packages. Notice that under Installed, a lot of these are going to say no, which means that although they are here, they are not 100% installed just yet. I have gone ahead and selected all the support packages that had no next to them. I've checked the boxes, which means I'm ready to install them. And then I'm going to go ahead and say OK. You're going to have a window pop up that says installation can only be continued when all instances of the TI portal have been closed. Close all instances of the TI portal. So notice continue is grayed out. Do not hit cancel. Go ahead and close out the additional information window and your TI portal instance altogether. Now you'll be able to click continue and complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll get a pop-up that says that you're able to restart TI Portal. I've gone ahead and done that here. You can revisit the same window as before, Options, Support Packages, and you'll see that our hardware support packages have all been successfully installed. Please contact us for further assistance, products, or training at 1-800-AWC-info or www.awc-inc.com. We are here to help.